Well, welcome to Physics 103. First week we got here, and we're going to be looking at physics, nuts and bolts, Newton's three laws of motion, thermodynamics, and through the next 16 weeks. But first week, we're going to start out with this topic of what is physics. So not mathematical, but maybe more overarching. What we're going to be doing this semester. So we asked this question. And it's really kind of important we start out with this basis. What is physics? Einstein said that all science is nothing more than a refinement of everyday thinking. And I think that's a good way to start out looking at our semester's work. Before we get involved with the nuts and bolts, mathematics, actions, reactions, and that. So what does this mean for us, and why are we studying the subject? It's taken a lot of meanings over the years. Started back with the ancient Greeks, moved throughout time up to Newton and his refinement of his three laws of motion, which we'll be studying extensively over the next couple of weeks for sure. But moved on, progressed into electromechanics, into the study of nuclear and subatomic physics. Broad range of subjects. So what does physics mean? I think it's something that could be somewhat personally defined. Now, we do have our laws and our common tenets to it, but also has these different applications and meanings to different individuals, and it's meant different things to different people at different eras. So we're going to be trying to look at that a little bit. For me, I'm an engineer, so a little bit more of the bread and butter, nuts and bolts of physics. So I'll be trying to express that a little bit to you, and as you'll see, the first week's assignment is asking you, or giving you the opportunity, to look at kind of starting to define a little bit for yourself. So we won't be personally defining any laws of physics, how that works, but how we're going to apply that knowledge. And that's what's really most important. Physics 103 is a survey class, an introductory class. So it's important we do study some of those subjects, particularly to the details, but also we can take away an impression, how we might be able to use this in our everyday lives. And it goes back to what old Einstein said, right? All of science is nothing more than the application of what we perhaps already know, and maybe help us refine that information and be able to use it and apply it to even bigger things. So anyway, I hope you enjoy your physics class this first week. Give you a little chance to kind of take a step back from all of it. Look at it in a broader perspective, and then we'll work maybe to make that a little bit more specific over the semester, and find some ways that you can take that first question is, what is physics? And then we'll apply that. We'll apply that, and by the time we get through the semester, you'll say, hey, this is what physics means to me. So good enough. Well, hey, I said enjoy that first week. Some good information to look through. Take a look through the PowerPoint. Got some good links in there, and we'll go from there. So, anyway, we're looking forward to seeing you guys next week in class. And got any questions, feel free to email me or send me a voicemail, and I'll address those. So, take care. We'll see you next week in person. Thanks.